Welcome to the Northlink Engineering Live Digital Twin, built on Microsoft Fabric Real-Time Intelligence. I'll walk you through how a major construction program is monitored end-to-end, from a sensor on site, all the way to a decision in the boardroom. Let's begin. This is the Station Box Phase 2 site. 4 assets: a tower crane, a piling rig, a concrete pump, and an environmental monitor each stream live telemetry into Azure. I can orbit the twin, zoom right into the site, and every reading you see is doing a full round trip through Microsoft Fabric. Everything here is also conversational. There's a Site Copilot reading the same live Fabric data. Let me ask it a question: which asset is most at risk right now? It answers instantly, straight from the live telemetry. And I can ask how the platform works. How does the data get from the sensor to Power BI? It explains the whole pipeline in plain language. Natural language, directly onto real-time data. Let me click on the tower crane. Each asset opens an inspector with its live health gauge, load, and risk score. Watch the floating OEE card update above it in real time. And here's the raw IoT log for that asset, the actual telemetry lines streaming off the sensor, second by second, exactly as they land in the Eventstream. Now the architecture. This is the data path. Site sensors flow through Azure IoT Hub and Eventstream, into the Eventhouse where KQL scores risk in real time, then out to Activator, Power BI, and Copilot. And the best part, every stage is clickable. I'll open the Eventhouse stage to inspect the live payload, the JSON message coming in, the KQL rule that scores it, and the activator action it triggers. Watch the packets move along the pipeline as I do. Now the live data pipeline in detail. Messages stream left to right through the medallion: bronze, silver, gold. Watch, I inject a pump blockage, and the bad reading ripples through and flashes red at every stage. I can hover any packet to freeze it and read the JSON inside. Then I press Fix All, Activator pushes the correction, and the whole pipeline settles back to green. Inject it, see it, fix it. This is the live Fabric Eventhouse screen: every asset card, the telemetry landing from IoT Hub, and the power and load trend, all updating in real time on one governed copy of the data in one lake. Now let's see what happens when something goes wrong on the twin itself. I'll inject a crane overload, a load moment trip. Watch the risk spike, and Fabric catch it the instant it happens. Now I zoom right in and dispatch a crew straight from the twin. Watch the site operative walk across to the crane, clear the fault on site, and the twin recover to healthy in real time. Every fault is durably retained in the site Eventhouse. This KQL workbench queries settlement and SLA breaches across the whole live program. I'll run the query, and there are the breaches, each with its mitigation owner and work order. On the site CCTV, AI Vision has flagged the crane. This is the human in the loop. The operator reviews the incident, approves the work order, and dispatches a crew. Watch the tiny figures walk across the feed and clear the fault. This is the operations control room, one pane for the whole site, with the live pipeline ribbon across the top: IoT Hub, Eventstream, Eventhouse, Activator, Power BI. Let me inject a fault on the piling rig, a pile refusal. The card flips to critical. Now I open the raw IoT log, and you can see every line streaming red alert after alert. Then I hit Start All and watch the log recover in real time. The red lines flush out and green, healthy readings stream straight back in. Inject it, see it, fix it. For the operations team, the same live data lands in a Power BI dashboard: asset streaming, alerts fired, readiness by asset, and live temperature and vibration trends. And for the program board, an executive scorecard, overall delivery, availability, downtime, maintenance spend, and a commercial snapshot: boardroom ready, on exactly the same Fabric data. And the same twin, the same RTI logic, works in any setting. A major construction and engineering company delivers a tunnel boring drive, a rail corridor electrification, a water treatment works. Same platform, any scenario. That's the Northlink digital twin: live telemetry, real-time intelligence, a human in the loop, and boardroom reporting all on one Microsoft Fabric. Thank you for watching.